Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GameWithSpace token, crypto earning token that allows users to earn NFT tokens by completing simple tasks. Now this token, ticker symbol MOSPACE, is getting a brand new central exchange listing October 25th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the GameWithSpace token. It's a crypto earning token. You can earn NFT tokens completing simple tasks like staking coins, playing games, and convert these NFTs into MOSPACE tokens. GameWithSpace is an innovative cross-chain token that maximizes profits with decentralized finance yield generation and crypto earning systems. Strong industry expertise and partnerships make it well positioned to achieve this goal. Now, this is a Binance Smart Chain token. They already have 2,474 holders. So that's a lot of token holders already. So they're doing very good. 18 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 10 billion MOSPACE tokens. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing. So as of October 25th, 10 o'clock UTC time, this token will be listed on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search MOSPACE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Telegram you could follow. You could join at GameWithSpace on Telegram. They have 3,578 Telegram members. Says, get ready for an exciting and action-packed adventure. 538 Telegram members online, so check out their Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find this project. 13,100 Twitter followers. They just joined in September 2023. They have their webpage linked on there, GameWithSpace.com. 24 tweets that you could check out on there. If you go to their webpage link there, they do have a full 9-page white paper as well that you can review. So, like I said, you can earn the NFT tokens. You can convert those back into MOSPACE tokens. So, GameWithSpace, innovative cross-chain token that maximizes profits with DeFi yield generation and crypto earning systems. So, decentralized finance refers to an ecosystem of financial applications that are built on top of blockchain. Its common goal is to develop and operate in a decentralized way without intermediaries. According to DeFi Pulse, the amount of money invested in DeFi projects soared to about $950 million in the latter part of May 2020 to more than $9.5 billion in the first week of September of the same year, and have already been deployed, locked in across a variety of DeFi applications that offer decentralized exchange, staking, liquidity, mining, lending, borrowing, monetary banking, tokenization, and other financial instruments such as derivatives and prediction markets. In that sense, DeFi is about creating a network of financial services that seamlessly function without the need for intermediaries that could hold an unfair and inefficient controlling stake in the operation of the system. However, cryptocurrency and decentralized finance are new concepts that can be confusing and risky for customers to get involved with. Proposed tools are complex and young, which hinders access to mainstream adoption. Early 2021, we cannot yet call this financial architecture open finance when new users have to pass through difficult loops to participate. Hence, the need for simplified interfaces that democratize DeFi and make it accessible to the larger audience. So a crypto faucet is an app or a website that distributes small amounts of cryptocurrencies as a reward for completing easy tasks. However, in the case of crypto faucets, tiny amounts of free or earned crypto are sent to the user's wallet. In order to get free crypto, users need to complete tasks in simple ways like viewing ads, watching product videos, completing quizzes and surveys, clicking links, or completing a CAPTCHA. Though cryptocurrencies have had great last years, they are yet to completely go mainstream, and there are still many people around the world that do not know what they are. The idea behind crypto faucets is to give free crypto to people so they would take time to learn about digital assets and hopefully invest in them. So then they have the next generation of crypto faucets. They have the Binance Smart Chain, a bridge between DeFi and crypto faucets. And then they have MOSPACE coming out here. So GameWithSpace is the first token that allows users to learn about DeFi while receiving a bonus on a crypto faucet. So they have the tokenomics on here. 15% goes to marketing. They have 25% going to staking rewards, 20% ecosystem. We got 10% initial game liquidity and 15% community partnerships and 15% going to the team. So what they're doing first is the project kickoff, team assembly, initial investment, game concept refinement, technical preparations, white paper creation, tokenomics design, smart contract development, tokenomics refinement, community engagement, technical development, and beta testing preparation. Then beta test, game launch, NFT marketplace launch, post-launch optimization, and ecosystem expansion. So basically, they have the NFT marketplace where you could buy, sell, and trade NFTs coming out. They have the game where you can earn tokens, first in the form of NFT tokens that can be exchanged for MOSPACE tokens, where you can, it's kind of like a faucet where you could learn about crypto while earning tokens at the same time. And then we have this brand new MEXC global listing for MOSPACE, which starts exactly October 25th, 10 o'clock UTC time. So go check them out. MEXC global referral code down there in the description box. Check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. Peace out.